Okay. Hi.
Oh, it's
Is the GoPro going right now?
Yeah. What?
Is the GoPro going? The GoPro's going.
Yeah, this is your boat on steroids.
The face thing again? Titanic. Well, you gotta. Yeah, we can go out this far.
We can enjoy this first.
Ow. No.
Just for Tommy.
What?
The water works.
Does?
The water works.
Don't run the water.
I like this one.
Yeah, this is a nice one.
Ooh.
It's basically 2 guest rooms. This one actually has its own. Wow, Ray, look at this. This one has its own bathroom. Comes all the way back here.
Very cool.
Look how close to the water we are. We're actually like kind of standing under the water.
All the way back.
I don't see why this is necessary, but there's a ladder right here. Also a TV. Oh, this guy has his own TV. Guys, it comes with a PlayStation. That's all we need. Sold.
Like it's new. Sold.
What is it? Oh, sorry. What is it?
Each bunk bed in here has its own TV.
Oh, I've seen.
Hashtag bought a new yacht. Oh. Yeah, Ray did that a lot last year
It would
too.
be cool. They had like a tour bus show, and you could see like all the cool.
That would be
tour
cool.
buses.
That would be cool. Dude, look at the master down here. Bunk beds.
Yeah, probably.
Nice.
Dude. Oh, not too much headroom, but it's
Yeah,
fine.
no.
If this guy was a jerk,
No, he's really cool.
Yeah. You want to show
he's
him for a
actually
moment?
pissing on that toilet.
Cool.
Yeah.
It's always the really big and nice boats that the guys are jerks.
Relax.
He said he's actually pissing on
Why you
this
guys want to
toilet.
move so
No, not this one.
No, there actually is.
Oh, there is. I thought you said somebody did. I was like, wow, why would they do that?
I think somebody did that.
Get my face in it.
Kayakers.
Yaker?
Kayakers.
Hey, Yaker?
No,
Don't do it, Hank.
I'm just looking.
Don't do it. No, Hank, don't jump. Ooh.
It's where.
Wow, this is a great room.
Dude, there's
Look, there's a sauna.
What? That's a little much.
Sauna.
There's nowhere to
No,
sit.
this is a closet.
It's a closet. It's not a sauna.
I wanted it to be a sauna.
There'd be a place to sit if
This
it.
is a sauna. There's a fire extinguisher and a heater. And it's wood.
Just like typical closets.
Where?
It's like, look, it's literally like.
I
the
feel like
size-
I've been in a boat like this before.
You see, it's literally like the size of our shower.
Yep, that is literally like the size of our shower. Go to the front.
You gotta take the whole thing.
This is so nice.
Onward.
I love this room if we
I like the desk.
There's a sauna though. I don't get that.
Its own bathroom here. Ooh, some bunk beds. Tommy, you and me bunking right here, bud.
Yep.
I call top.
Everyone, Houston, if you call top.
Okay, I'm afraid to open this door.
Houston,
Boat's moving.
Houston, if you call top, you.
This is a weird room. This is a weird setup.
Yeah. Kind of cool though.
Weird.
I would sleep here.
Sick, though. That is fun. That one's cool. Wait, I'm dizzy. Houston.
Your face.
Power flow.
Where'd you guys get these?
Over there.
Oh,
Yeah,
there.
one more.
No.
Okay, I want to get a view of the interior. Interior, Hank. Interior, Hank.
This one is nice.
Whoa, look at that compass. No, look at the compass.
Saw it.
Wow.
Houston, the keys are in here.
Yeah, some people are stupid.
Found the horn.
Somebody left the keys in the ignition.
Whoa.
Drive it away.
Ow! Thought I was short enough.
If it drifts, Mom, he can't.
No. No, okay.
Okay.
I've seen stupider things.
Seen stupider things?
Here you go.
Somebody push him.
This one.
7 personal. Or,
You're 27 personal. What? This is 37.
Same length as the other one.
Okay, Houston,
have we?
this is the weirdest thing I've ever seen.
The one online that's like a 45.
Yeah, we've never seen it.
It's not, is it out yet?
No. I mean, I don't see why they wouldn't bring it, but they never have them.
No, no.
Hank, don't use the toilet.
Houston, this is the weirdest bedroom I have ever seen.
Yeah, there's a bedroom down here, Tommy, below the stairs. It's really odd.
That is weird.
Yo, guys.
No, you can come in.
That is very
I'll
cool.
close it and then you'll hook
What does the 8.5 mag mean?
I would.
That's ours. That's ours.
8.2?
That's
All
a
right,
502.
The keys are in it. You guys want to go?
The keys are in the ignition. We can just go. Wait, this is a bathroom. Yeah.
No, it's
Stick your
not.
crotch in there. Whoa!
Whoa. What?
Holy God!
Goodbye.
All right. See you later, Hank.
Someone take a picture of Hank and
And with the formula, you get a Hank.
Included with the formula 270, you get a Gaylord.
Gotta open this. It's kind of stinky in
Yeah,
here.
I can see it. Like there's a thing that.
I feel like it just gets a ton of water in there.
like a little place to smoke.
No, it's only a door right here.
Wait, let me try to open it from
Yeah,
here.
there's one on this side too.
Do you feel claustrophobic when we close the door?
No.
Really? I would. There's a window in there, but like some of them don't have windows.
It's like when we were caving. Like,
Yeah, what am I doing?
Wait, Houston. Houston.
Yeah, there's like
What's the
there
deal?
should be like a little bed right there.
Yeah, there should be a bed in here. Figure this out.
Can you imagine, Tommy? I'm going for distance.
Ray. Should
I
I
want
try?
to go in there.
I actually want to try going in
Should
there.
I try and see if I can fit in here with all this stuff?
Yeah, I'll go in with the GoPro.
Okay.
We're going in?
Turn the light off when you go in.
I see it. Okay. And it's dark. I'm taking a dump. Here's the toilet paper. Right there. Toilet paper. Okay. There's a window. Slightly, ever so slightly claustrophobic.
You turned the light on. Do it in the dark.
I'm trying to do my business here. Close the door. Okay. The window. Now stop banging on the. Wait, I'm gonna FaceTime Jameis.
Ray, you quit FaceTiming Jameis. We
I'm
gotta
trying to
go.
FaceTime Jameis. Close the door.
It's more of a storage compartment.
I mean, you could sleep on the life vest.
Hey, it's still something.
There's a radio.
We could take all that stuff out and put it somewhere else in the boat.
You'd have to
Like
sleep in a
little
ball.
Mini bed there. Mom, like a little dog bed. And I can put the dog bed. Who needs to use the restroom? It's not like, hey, hi, Francesca. No.
So you just call her Frankie?
Yeah.
You call her
What up?